nah, 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 nah. I'm carrying your baby. The right love affair, we were a perfect match. Everything was going well until my test came back. I was simply irresistible, unfaithful, body type, and every night you were coming home. Now I told you I can feel it, you're moving on. Are you with me? Tell me. Supposed to be my man, now my baby's dead. Never thought that things would change so fast. I'm carrying your baby.